Hi all, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share an amazing breakfast recipe, Afghani Omlette, which is very yummy and nutritious. It's one of the easiest breakfast recipes. So without wasting any more time, let's bump into my kitchen. First of all, let's heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add small cubes of potatoes. I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes. Now stir fry the potatoes. The ones who are on the paleo diet can skip the potatoes and substitute the oil with butter or olive oil. Keep stirring until the potatoes turn slightly golden. Now add the onions, which are finely chopped, and saute it. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. The onions have turned transparent. Now let's add the tomatoes. I have chopped the tomatoes as well. Mix it well. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes at low flame. The tomatoes have softened well. Let's add some salt and pepper. You can also include paprika and other spices if you like it hot, but generally Afghan people don't prefer spicy foods. Let's add some coriander leaves. Again give a stir. Make some room to break the eggs. Now let's add the eggs one after the other. I have used 4 eggs, but you can add more if you desire. Spread some finely chopped green chillies. Now we shall cover and cook it for 5 minutes at low flame. You can increase or decrease the time based on your desire, because some like undercooked yolk and some like half cooked yolk, so it depends on you. Finally, sprinkle some salt and pepper. Top it with fresh coriander leaves. That's it. Our delicious Afghani omelette is ready. Let's serve it, and I just can't wait to taste it. You can enjoy it as such, or with bread as sandwich, or with roti or paratha or anything. It pairs well with all. The omelette is perfectly cooked. It's so soft. It's time to taste. The egg just melts like butter into my mouth. Hope you all like it. See you all with another recipe. Until then, stay safe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.